is sorrow enough in the natural way, enough gray rain for an ordinary day. So why would we open the door once more to a love that leaves paw prints across the floor? Brothers and sisters, I know it is true, there are easier roads than the one we choose. But who could refuse that face in the chair and give your heart to a dog to tear? Bring home a pup and your whole world turns, a tail like a torch and a heart that burns. Love without bargain, love without pride, a shadow that dances close at your side. A muddy hello, a nose in your hand, a language the lonely can't understand. You think you are saving the soul standing there, then give your heart to a dog to share. And oh, what a life, what a beautiful ride, with a heartbeat running beside you. Through the sunlight, the storms, the ordinary days, that little soul will guide you. So let them run, let them leap, let them shine, let them make this borrowed world divine. For love was never meant to be fair. When you give your heart to a dog to tear. There are rooms that remember the sound of their feet. There are ghosts made of laughter asleep in the heat. There are fields where they flew like a song off the ground, and your name was the happiest word they had found. They taught you the morning could always begin, no matter how heavy the night had been, and joy could arrive with leaves in its hair. When you give your heart to a dog to repair. And oh, what a life, what a beautiful ride, with a heartbeat running beside you. Through the sunlight, the storms, the ordinary days, that little soul will guide you. So let them run, let them leap, let them shine, let them make this borrowed world divine. For love was never meant to be fair. When you give your heart to a dog to tear. Our loves are not owned, they are only lent, but the interest paid is heaven sent. 100 bright mornings, 1,000 small things, the jingle of tags, the thunder of springs. And when the quiet comes soft through the door, it does not steal what the years were for nothing so loved can vanish in air. When you give your heart to a dog to wear. Oh, what a life, what a beautiful ride, with a heartbeat running beside you. Through the sunlight, the storms, the ordinary days, that little soul still guides you. So let them run in the fields of your mind, leave all the grief and keep the light. For love was never wasted there, though you gave your heart to a dog to tear. Yes, brothers and sisters, the warning is there, but I would do it again, I would always dare. For the joy was worth every prayer, when I gave my heart to a dog to care. And if love must leave us trembling there, still give your heart to a dog